Assalamu alaikum to one and all. As we all are set for the new academic year 2020-21, till the situation gets better, we have started online classes. So today in this class, we will start with the strokes. What is meant by stroke? Stroke is vertical, horizontal, curvilinear lines which will draw by your hands. It is nothing but the action of your hands, your arms, wrist and fingers. So let us start the first line. That is standing line. Now you can see to me how is my position? I am in a standing position. So standing line start from starting point to the end point like this in a straightward direction. So this called a standing line. You can also take the example of this chalk piece. See, the position of this chalk piece is in a standing. So this calls a standing line. I can also show you one more example. As the children like the ice cream very much, you can see, you can make your kids, you can practice with this trick also. So how I have made this trick? I am representing the stick like this, in this way. So it is in a standing position. So now let's come to the next stroke, that is sleeping line. So it will start and forwards go to the right direction like this. So this one is a sleeping line. Again you can take the same example of this chalk piece. This is in a standing position. Now I have made this chalk piece in this position. So it becomes a sleeping line. So I have made stick in this position. So it becomes a sleeping line. Now next come to the half curve. So this one is a half curve towards right direction. The open of this curve is towards the right direction. See, with your hand you can make like this also. This one is a half curve. Okay, see. Now let's come to the next. See, this one also a half curve. Towards the mouth is open towards the left direction. Again you can take the same example. Make with your hand. See, the position of this curve is in this direction. The mouth is towards the left direction. Now let's come to the next curve, that is downward curve. See, the mouth is towards the downward. Okay, again same, with your hands you can make the half curve towards the down direction like this. Then upward curve. The mouth is towards the upward direction. Again same, with your hand you can make like this. So it is towards the upward direction. So slanting line. Now come to the slanting line. This slanting line is slightly towards the right direction and it is slowly going towards downward. See, you can take the example of your hand like this. You can make the hand in a slanting position also. This is a rightward slanting line. Again same. leftwards. It is towards the leftward on slanting line. Again, you can take the same example of your hand, making like this. These are the two slanting lines. See, this is towards the right direction and this is towards the left direction. So, with the help of these strokes, we can make alphabets. This is standing line, slipping line, half curve towards the right direction, half curve towards the left direction, half curves towards the downward, half curve, the open mouth towards the upward, slanting line towards the right direction, slanting line towards the left direction. So in the next class, with the help of these strokes, we will make alphabets. Thank you.